recording. Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Red Pill. This is gonna be my first video that I'm gonna be making. I'm gonna start documenting my journey as a trader. I'm not full time right now, but it should be fun. I'm in my third month now. I started in May, I believe, about beginning of May, about May 4th, about there. And yeah, since then I've lost. Well, from that point I lost $800, and I went all the way down to about 150, 100 bucks, and right now I've actually had my first profitable week, and hopefully we can end off this week, this whole week profitable. And I'll be back at. Right now I'm at $250, and yeah, I mean I've just been focused, grinding, getting closer to the Lord, and yeah, I mean I'm inviting anyone who watches this into my journey to see how it goes, and maybe it motivates you. But this should be fun. I mean, I'm just trying to see this in the future and see my life and enjoy this. But yeah, I mean, right now we're looking at the 1 minute chart here that we have from Spy Day Trading. He's this really great options trader. He does many more. He's been trading for like years, 30 years. He was an investment banker, I believe. And yeah, I'm in his Discord, and he provides us with his own charts that he changes in the moment, and he puts algorithms. So I do like algorithm trading, and then this is my own chart in the bottom left. I like to copy what he's doing. Let me catch up because I was getting my video ready, and yeah, so that's what I'm learning at the moment. I've been learning this for about 2 months after I started trading. Like 1 month after I started trading, and I've been at it for 2 months since the summer started. So I'm in college right now, but I've been just focused on this, to be honest. And yeah, I mean, it's been fun. Trading is a lot of fun if you really, really like to do it. I forgot what I was saying, to be honest, but it's okay. I like to really like get it right. But yeah, this is my 1 minute chart. I like to use the VWAP as well, because it's actually a pretty good indicator. So when it passes in the middle of a line, that basically means that there's a good amount of volume, and it will more than likely keep going up. If it passes through it like sharply, like with a lot of volume, then it'll probably keep going up. But if there's not enough volume, it'll come back down. And then you could use these Bollingers also as support and resistances. They sometimes act as support and resistance, like here. And then I suppose we have the algorithms as well. If you really want to like learn about the algorithms, I recommend getting into this Discord, because there's a lot of people that really, really help you. And hold up, give me a second, guys. I think we're getting into a trade here. Let me see. What is he saying? Maybe off the 5-day. So I'll be predicting about a drop into here. Bounce off the 5-day. Maybe this wants to continue heading down. I actually bought a better webcam, or I'm about to buy a better webcam, and hopefully it has better audio. It should have better audio. It's gonna be like $100 for it. So, but I definitely want to get a camera at some, or not a camera, a microphone at some point, so I can sound better for y'all and whoever watches. I don't know if it sounds better for me, because I have horrible ears. I have tinnitus actually, and I need some good hearing, some good audio in my ears. Go long only when you see TL. I'll go build liquidity here. I also have the 30-minute chart over here as well. So yeah, trust me, I'm ready. 30-minute chart is very important. Go long only when you see TL. Go build liquidity here. Preferably, we get a clear structure off 5-day MA is best. Early candles do not force. Protect aggressively if any trade. If it happens, great. If it doesn't, so be it. Do not force a trade. Focus on identifying the algos. Let the range spread itself out to reveal more imbalances and for large structures and shape. The early selling has already revealed 2 bearish control, orange and magenta, not charted yet. Alright, time to chart these orange and magentas. And to be honest, I don't know how long I should be making these videos, but to be honest, I'll just probably do it until I stop trading. And because I want to really document like my whole trading day, and I mean whoever wants to watch it can watch it as well. But little by little, we've been accumulating our money back. We're not gonna make this money in an instant, so we can't be greedy, guys. It's fun. Enjoy the process. Don't get greedy, because if you do, you will lose all the money at some point. Doesn't matter if you make it, you will lose. For large structures to shape up, you need to learn a lot about yourself before you can actually continue making money. This is a psychological game. It's not just about making money. That's just an extra, I'd say. This early selling has already revealed 2 bearish control, orange and magenta. Okay. Probably move it about right here. I'd say right here. Bounce off 5-day. I'll definitely take a call here if you get onto the 5-day. Damn, why are the calls so... The break-evens are so high. That's why I couldn't... That's why I barely... Alright, makes sense, I guess. I'd probably take a $90 call here. So just be more careful going long. Wait for the TL logo build before going long. So this one's head down. Wait for a 5-day MA retest. And magenta. So if it wants to head down, wait for 5-day MA retest. And magenta and orange I'll go to build liquidity. Magenta. We want to watch out for structure. We look out for head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders. Cup and handles. We actually had got into a trade yesterday that was a cup and handle, and I thought it would go up, but I actually lost $27 of my profits, so I didn't really lose money. But I was very dumb. I didn't put my stop loss. I got greedy. I let a little bit of greed get in there, go through the wall, a little crack. But I got into good trades here that made me money as well. Accumulation, making money is just an extra. It's not that important. As long as what you do, what's in your mind is what's important. Yeah. It's been a rough couple of months, I'd say. It's not easy. Oh, guys, watch out. Magenta is really strong here, actually. Let's see if it breaks. Unless we're gonna keep going. If it keeps building, if it breaks down here and keeps building into just teal, that is definitely going up. Oh my gosh, prepare. We are prepared. Bounce off 5-day would be ideal here. you want to see it bounce exactly off the 5 day, trust me on that. It will hit it. It will hit it. If this wants to head up, you would know once there's a breakout, and pink algo builds liquidity. I haven't drawn that out. I'll draw it out right now. Just to you can always snap 100% or even 1000% trade once you have a clear picture of the algos. We're looking over here. Come on. I want a nice bounce off. Patience. It will happen. Trust. Hopefully. That's my confirmation. That's where I would get in. That's where I would be comfortable in getting in at the 5 day. It's all about comfort. Everyone trades differently. He might start going up here, guys. Is this the move up though? Ooh, that's the question. I don't know. I guess it was the bounce off magenta over here on the 30-minute. You can't see this, but I wanted to bounce off a 5 day. Wow, I could have entered this. Whatever. I don't really care. Ooh, it would already been like a nice move. I'm not gonna lie. Like a 1 point move already. I think. Yup, did he do? But it could start. It could go down one more time. Because I don't think it's built enough liquidity for a move up. I don't think so. Move would probably happen down here. So I'm waiting for that 5 day bounce. That's where a bunch of buy orders are. That's why I'm waiting for it. Today I'm still not fully well. Always glance at 30-minute chart. We built liquidity yesterday for a reason. Magenta and green are bullish control. Alright, let me start charting a little bit here. I'm looking too much at his chart. I'll need to chart it myself as well. How am I gonna understand? So he gets his support levels from the 30-minute chart, which he drew out as well. It's crazy, bro. This guy's a wizard. He's a wizard. I swear I didn't fart, guys. It's just my stomach. I'm really hungry. If you heard that. Haven't ate yet. So orange and magenta are bearish algo controls. Teal is obviously bullish. But we are gonna have to move this down a bit as he did down here. And then stretch this one out. And look at that, we're back down here. Let's see who starts building liquidity here. Magenta or teal? And we now have magenta and orange arrow to build liquidity before it sets up. So please be patient. If you shorted here, you have to protect now. Today, this is the highest print of today's 5-day MA. If this wants to go further down, wait for structure to reload. Always manage your protected burns. Yeah, if this wants to go down, it definitely needs more liquidity to be able to get past that 5-day EMA. So it will probably create a head and shoulders up here or something, but I don't want that. I mean, I don't mind that, because if it does that, it's gonna go down a lot. A lot. That's for sure. If it happens, it happens. I'll try to get into it. I'll try to be ready for it. We're ready for anything. We're ready for a put, call. We have no bias here, guys. No bias at all. Just make sure everything's good. And it looks pretty good. This camera is not that bad. Like this webcam is 720p. I don't know how it look on YouTube, but and the audio, hopefully it's not that bad. I hope not. I hope not. Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna be getting a better webcam, and that mic should be way better. It should be good enough for a little bit until I get a mic. I mean, I'm not taking this too serious. It's just something. I'm just like documenting my life. Of course, if I become profitable and all this, like I want to upgrade for sure. Just cause for my, just cause I feel like it. And what if people actually watch this? So, okay, actually move this one. Cause it didn't bounce off here, and maybe it bounced down here. Right here. You know, it could just like go down out of nowhere. Annotation may look confusing at first, but can you see it now? Right here? Right here. Yes, early notation may be a little confusing at first. These are actually not properly placed. Of course. To be honest, I see a head, shoulder, or shoulder, head, shoulder, but in TO and there's a big volume balance, watch your camera structure, no trade. I'm still more on calls. Yeah, it has to build more liquidity here. You need to. It has to get out of this teal and get into here. Get a nice balance off 594.17. There we go. Come on, I know you want to bounce out 5-day. Might just enter here, guys. I don't know. Should I enter? I don't know. I'm gonna be patient. Patience. It has to hit the 5-day. Patience. I entered. Yeah, I should have entered the bottom, but it's okay, guys. I have 105. We wanna put our stop limit. Protect the structure demands. We got profits already. Nice. Let's see what happens here. Can I break the teal? We've already made profits, so I just don't want to head up. Oh, it has to break that orange. Make a nice move. Come on, break it. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. You got this. Break it. Oh my gosh, we're in a minor wedge, guys. We're in a little wedge. Might have to wait for the next minute. I hope it doesn't go down. It's gonna stop me out. I gotta stop the race. Hey, we made $6 though. If this goes up, that's gonna suck. We're actually out of the buying continuation. That's the thing. Could have held it, but nah. I'd rather get stopped out and be safe. Made $6 already. It's good. Still have $140 left. Now it's double the resistance. Bruh, it breaks it here. Of course it does. I mean, it kind of has to go up there, no? For it to even go down. So I should have probably held. Because it needs to build more liquidity. I don't even know, guys, to be honest. At least I'm not in the trade stressing out, like, oh, is it gonna go up, is it gonna not? It's good. It's better to be in a non-stressful trade than still be in the trade, you know? Because you can see it from the, you can't see it. Oh, that's actually good right there. It opened above, so. Yeah, I should have held it. It's about to go up, I think. Yeah, it's about to go up, and I don't think it's going up, to be honest. I think, well, like, from here, like past this magenta and pink, I don't think so. I think it is about to form a head and shoulder. Oh, there you go. Wow. Can you believe this, guys? Of course, it happens after I'm out. Head, shoulder. You damn frickin'. Oh well. Oh well, I guess I got out too early. I should have just protected it at where I set my trade. I mean, it was gonna go in there. Yo, I don't think it's going high. To be honest, I'm getting ready for shorts here. For sure. Because why? Because we are out. Okay. Can you understand this? This is why, if there's no structure for magenta, no trade to short. But regardless, this could just be a sell-me bounce. So you have to protect the structure demands. Until this breaks pink and closes cup, bulls are not in control. Oh, shoulder, head, shoulder, head, shoulder. It's not even the teal anymore, guys. Oh, it is kind of, I guess. So you have to protect your structure demands. I could have held it a little bit, and I would have made maybe a couple more dollars. You know, we sold right there instantly. I don't know. Let's see if there's like a little retest on this pink. Where am I getting into a nice put right here. There will be a lot of liquidity. This one's so I'm just gonna do one final put. $142. Guys, it's gonna be a short trading day, so that's okay. Can't get into that one anymore. I would love if it went back to retest that pink. If they do, this trap a lot of calls, that's for sure. Do it. Hug it. Or, excuse me, whatever you guys. Let's see what the Lord has in store for us. As you can see here. Sorry guys, I just get really engulfed in his chart sometimes, so I didn't really pay attention to mine. Pink. This guy's like, I mean, you can see why, right? Come on, see why. I see. Oh, it's a big move down. That's why I'm just gonna go all in on that move. I don't give a damn. Oh yes, this is perfecto. my gosh, we're wedging, guys. We're a wedge. Look at this. So you see, I wouldn't take the trade right now, not until we're out of this wedge. And trust me when I say it, it will go down a lot. Because if you, I don't know if anyone here trades, have you been keeping up with the past, you have to protect aggressively. Yeah, no, I would not go long here. I am waiting until this wedge is done for. Yo, his is way longer than mine. Oh, because his is all the way up there. Yeah, that's a small wedge and there's a huger wedge. Now, some more builds of liquidity would not be bad. Now, I would rather wait for... I just want to do one more trade, to be honest, and then be done for the day. I don't need to go to the gym. I think I need to cut the grass. It's pretty hot outside, though. Let's see what happens. That's a shoulder if I've ever seen one. But we are in a wedge, so I am cautious on entering this. I would rather wait for the... If it's gonna break this, it's gonna go down, break the 5-day, retest the 5-day, like a small retest, and I'll enter. I'll enter right then and there. How are you able to profit daily if the market goes nowhere most of the time? You are day trading. You gotta learn to find profits in the charts. Otherwise, you just buy shares and hold and buy every dip and control your margins and leverage, and you'll be rich in time anyway. Stay focused. Let's open up here on the 3-minute and watch that cup closing. So we want a bounce off. Down there. Ow! Wow. We're in a wedge and another wedge and another wedge and another wedge. Oh, yo, yeah, I can't hear anything. I usually put some music, guys. I hope it sounds good. Well, I just put like piano music. Let me put this real quick. I will put it behind me so that it will not be loud right next to you guys. direction of trading. I truly don't care where this is going. I want to eat liquidity and let my family eat more upgraded food. Until this breaks pink and closes cup. Bulls are not in control. Be patient. Early liquidity wedge near 5-day MA isn't it. Going long is a viable trade here. It is also a zoning for the lack of selling continuation, but you have to protect aggressively. See what I'm saying over here. Pink rejected it twice. Facts. Those are strong rejections. Going long. I see a shoulder, head, and a shoulder. I'm not going to. Chinese terror decision. This is how I get my news, guys. ChatGPT. Hey, it helps. The structure's not clear, then wait for breakout and retrace. Shorting here is too late as near the support. Breakout and retrace. Yup. That's what I'm gonna do. Wait for the breakout and then the retrace on the 5-day and there you go. I have my music. I like to just put piano music, guys. I'm gonna put this here. Because it relaxes, it's relaxing. This is some good music for a trade. It's not distracting. If you could like rap or something, like come on. What are you doing? That doesn't help you focus. Rap puts you in your caveman side of you. That's what it is. Nah, I hope it doesn't sound horrible. We're about to find out after. I knew it was gonna do this. I'm not gonna lie. Shoulder head. If it breaks it, that's okay. It still needs to break this one. Let's see what type of rejection we get here. Not gonna lie, guys, I'm just gonna set my alarm here and go get some water because I'm pretty thirsty. I guess that was the trade to get into. Not this one. Oh well. Let's see what happens here. Let's see if we get a nice rejection here. I don't know, guys. I don't know why it do it. I don't know why it doesn't. Am I retarded or something? Oh, excuse my language. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, y'all. I guess just them or. How does he have it like this? I don't know. This guy's a freaking. I'm telling you guys, this guy's a wizard. Freaking wizard. Does that actually break this though? That'd be crazy. I mean, like, what? No. I guess this was the drain, didn't they? Wow, it broke it. No, he just needs to adjust his mind. He hasn't broken mine. Magenta's still in control here, guys. See? I wasn't going crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh, I completely forgot to set my freaking down monitor, so my bad, guys. I got it. I wait for cups to close if I want to go on here. He needs to adjust his. Mine hasn't been moving yet. Magenta's still in control. Nice, actually. Guys, we need to be looking at the VIX too. Is the VIX falling, going up, or down? What are we hitting right now? What are we hitting on 30 minutes? Nothing. We haven't hit shit on 30 minutes. So, what's happening? Oh yeah. There's no new form yet taking effect. However, several tariffs are flowing to that could influence future trade policy for the Indian U.S. fish meeting in 1945. Adjust your freaking. It's not adjusted. I think it's going up, guys. Wow. I'm not entering. Thanks, no. I'll wait for damn cuss to close. Look at that, it didn't break it. It didn't break it. It didn't break Magenta. Bears are still in control. Should I front run this? I don't know, I don't think so. Obvious, strong. Zero base orange. I didn't draw the orange guys. Can it down? I'll let her get out of my way. Shove orange here. But it seems like a short there would have been perfecto. That's okay though. I think we're gonna get another retest right here. To be honest. think we get another bounce off of this right here. Guys, I usually draw my data and price range, but in this case, it's kind of hard to tell. I know, guys, I said I was gonna go get water, but this is too important. Nutrients can wait. So I'm gonna put an alarm right here. I'm sorry if it's loud. I'm gonna put my alarm and I'm gonna go get some water because I'm freaking thirsty. I'm gonna put my alarm right here. And it's either gonna break 5-day if it goes to that peak again. Wraps. It gets rejected again. Why did that one bounce off? No, it didn't. It did. It's not even close. Alright, I'll be back, guys. I heard that. God, leave. Where are we right now? See that drop? Damn, I should have shorted this. Die! Look at that big pullback. And that big rejection. I don't know, this is... Oof, that was a big bounce though. I don't know. Is this shortable? No, I would need a break of that 5-day if I want to short this. A nice little retest of the pink over here, or what? Guys, I was just about to make a sandwich, but it hit right away. Maybe drink no water. Guys, I just want to make a reminder, it doesn't matter if we lose money or make money, it's all that matters is that we learn. Yeah, that's really all that's important, guys. And then the P&L will reflect how it is you handle yourself. I also want to give a shout out to God, the boy, God, the homie. He helps you. He helps you a lot, man. Through the rough times, through the good times, never forget him. Oh my gosh. What's gonna happen here? Yeah, literally just keep bouncing on it. Like, I need a strong rejection here. if I want to take shorts here. That was a pretty strong rejection, though. I'm not gonna lie. Is it enough, though? Is it enough? We are at a support level here. Let's see. Enough calls trapped. Volume is low. Volume is low. Oh, would have that been a nice call? Oh, I don't know, guys. That's another strong rejection. I would be willing to short this right now. Oof. Oof. That's another rejection. Oh my gosh. I can't short this until it breaks that. Yeah, I should short that. No, yeah, we're still in green position buying algo. I think this is going down, down, down. Where's my VWAP at? Oh, it's right there. Again, held resistance, and I am actually might short this right now. Hold up. It's a strong resistance point. I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh, no, but it's going up. It's going up. Wow! Look at I crit trapped so many shorts. Guys, we are still in magenta. Oh, not anymore. Oh, GG's. Guys are closing. If you're not sure whether to enter trading too late or too early, just be patient and assess. It's soaking up buyers from the 5-day MA by closing the inverse cup. It hit it? Yes. Then wait for a proper breakout and you will have a microstructure. Triggering stops will cause this to activate the stronger selling position. Oh, okay. If pink is tapering here, you're not gonna miss it. Don't confuse yourself further with news. Check the news later so that it makes sense for you. You can't find profits and manage risk news. But that could still be the head. This could be the shoulder, head. It didn't break the freaking magenta. Magenta is still in control here, guys. Like, if we draw this out. Can't find profits management here. You're a gambler if you're trading news, just putting in a bet and waiting for results. See the similarities. You gotta manage your risk with structure. Say you caught the pink algo break, you see the green position algo, you protect it at the top because we closed the cup. So then what we and have your mental bandwidth focus on news that confusion everything. You fail your objective here to find profits in the charts. On the 30 it bounced. The freaking I didn't even notice that. I hear it didn't really hit it. But that's okay, guys. This is what it's like a 2-3 point trade. Ooh, if you cut the bottom. I don't really know, guys, where this is gonna go. If we stay here and we right here would be the short, I'm guessing. Or right here. Oh, literally, that's where we need to get out of this. Guys, we are still in controlled buying. was on the phone with China. Trump was on the phone with China. Oh my gosh. ChatGPT, you didn't freaking tell me. Any Trump China news? Watch out here, guys. Every time it freaking hits the orange, it goes up. I don't really know what's gonna happen here, TBH. Oh, what? The VIX hit the 5-day? I didn't even know. I didn't even know. No wonder it went down. Seems like it's about to go back up at retest though. Guys, I'm hungry. I'm just gonna make a sandwich and some chips on top of that, but chat sometimes. You know why you lose money? Because you can't focus. Market is still moving. You know why you lose focus? Because you trade with too much. We want to be patient. Many moves to be made, bro. It's barely 9:51. Google's up. And most of us can't handle money, believe it or not. Gotta give some motivational words right here. I think we continue to taper on that didn't it? And most of us can't believe it or not. For some of you, you are looking for guidance and you start projecting. You're the kind that prefers comfort in life than truth. My truth is simple. No structure, no trade. If you can't see anything, you have nothing to trade. Not everyone can accept that. That's the truth. You need to learn to guide yourself, not find people to lie to you. This is why people join signal groups. They think they are looking for guidance. Oh, he's yapping again. I mean, it's true, but like he says this all the time. These are for like new people mainly. It's difficult, isn't it? To learn to guide yourself. No one has it easy. We learn this life lesson until the day we die. Every day is a battle. Every day. Every day is a battle. Every day is indeed a battle. We just have to find a way to understand what it is we are battling. Your biggest enemy is yourself. You are your biggest enemy. You are indeed your biggest enemy. Close the cup. That's why. But, what's the but? There is Bear's liquidity at the magenta that Bears can grab. Really mention wait for 5 day may retest anyway because that's an obvious confirmation. I would wait for more confirmation. You are not going to miss a dump if this wants to head down. I saw that with the minutes. If you didn't do your homework, if you didn't prepare, if you didn't show up every day and get better at understanding this language. That's the handle. There goes up here. We're about to find out that's the handle. Look at that bounce off orange. Why didn't I get into that? It's been bouncing off orange all day. You're not gonna just sit down. I'm sorry if I was so close. I forget. I get so engulfed in this. Guys, we hit actually on a resistance level on the 30-minute, which was green. Greed, I'll go. You're I'm just gonna sit down here and expect to make 5 figures daily without doing the work. So, can you remain focused? It's not even noon. Facts. You're already complaining and whining. Oh, you keep freaking chatting. Wow, I should have entered here. What was I doing? Obvious support level now. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Be a good entry, wouldn't it? So let's say we broke this. Where would we be? Note to self: when waiting for a bounce off the 5-day EMA, don't check the freaking 1-minute chart because it doesn't properly show it. Check the 30-minute chart because if in the 30-minute chart it freaking hit it and I didn't even know. I would have definitely taken the call when they hit it. That's what I had been waiting for the whole time. I like your bigger. This is for you. Damn. Patience. My Padawan. And there's a breakout, the strength of the body continuation. No, we saw this magenta liquidity, yes. So this was a taper. Let it. The formation will come at 5 p.m. Set alerts then. Go enjoy your life. Until we see some microstructure near the top range where magenta is building liquidity for then weight down. If you're any trader, you want to be focused on 30-minute chart moves, learn to translate them into 1 minute and 30 minutes. Five nine 7.71. I want to wait for a clear move, to be honest. Much of a risk. I wait for a clear move. So I'm gonna set my alerts at 2 under pressure. I'll be back. to see a freaking head and shoulders there. If you want to actually play a video game, if you just want to make money, you just guys, freaking see a head and shoulders, right? For head and shoulders. I think this is going up. I'm not gonna lie. If I wanted to go down, it would have gone down already. And we're in the stronger precision buying algo. I'm taking the call here. Well, it wouldn't even make sense for it to go up right now, but I should have waited. I ain't gonna lie. But okay, guys. Let's go. Microstructure, that's why I took it. Well, the microstructure took it. It's easy as I tell you. There we go. good trade, guys. But I saw structure and I took it. Let me put that out. Where am I return? The reason it's not going up right now, like, it's because in 30 minutes, actually, in being like a would-be resistance zone, it needs to, the new 30 minute needs to come out before it, so it could have more room to move up. We protect aggressively at the yellow. Right now we're mainly looking at the 30 minute because that's where like the major resistances are. I need to check that. Note to self, guys. My bad, guys. My mom's sleeping. Yes, I do still live with my parents. I'm barely 20 years old. Alright. So, give me a chance. So, data's actually burning at the very moment. My contract. The reason I took it is because, as you can see here, bounce off orange, one up. Bounce off orange, basically, one up. Bounce off orange, one up. Bounce off orange, might go up. It's up $38, so I might do like another trade after this. Might as well, right? Signals wrong, really. This guy's speaking facts right now. Watch yellow all go 30 minutes. Once squeeze ass to break it. If not, then the head is gonna form there and we're going down. Six minutes until the 30-minute comes out. It will just keep creating space for itself. Another 1 minute. When I was doing my SAT, there was consequences to a wrong answer. You actually have points deducted, so we learned consequences. I'm not sure when they removed it, but I was surprised to hear about it. I hated the SAT. Horrible. When you don't learn consequences, you don't see the seriousness of how signals will ruin you. Yeah, if you're barely getting into trading, you definitely should not get into. Because I was actually in a, you see this Chris Sane guy on my screen. He's owns a Signals Discord, so there's just people in there that work for him, and they tell you like, okay, this is a resistance point, and this is a support point. Take calls and trades here, and yeah, you don't learn anything. You don't learn anything. So it's better to just actually find someone that will teach you. There's a bunch of different strategies. There's also a guy named TJR. I got a friend that he's learning his strategy. But I'm learning the algo strategy. I have two friends that are actually learning TJR strategy. It's like a, I forgot what it's called, but like fair value gaps and all this stuff. But oh, guys, I might get stopped out here. Please don't stop me out. Oh yeah, I don't know where to get that. Then create a shoulder here, guys. Come on, you don't have to hit it. You don't have to hit it. Oh, but I'll get stopped out. If I do, I'll re-enter. Please, Lord, don't stop me out. Oh, nobody gets stopped out. Oh, and I got stopped out. Why? It went up. The flip. Well, I made $30, guys. But I think I'm gonna re-enter this because with a $30 contract. Wow. Imagine that. Stopped out. Oh well. We've actually made today $31. And I would have been at 301. But I freaking just got stopped out. Wow, that much is literally crazy to me. This is why, let me find it. Your risk to reward ratio. Long position. If I would have had this out, I would have known where to put it. I should have just waited for that 30-minute candle. Let's be honest. My stop loss was very tight. Gosh dang it! Oh my gosh, this always happens to me, guys. This always happens to me. But if I know it's gonna keep going up, why am I freaking setting my stop loss so tight? Let's be honest here. Whatever. TBH, I might just take a call here. I mean, I knew it was gonna keep going up. I don't even know why I sometimes it's good not to have your stop loss when you really, really know it's going up. It's okay. We learn every day. I mean, if we can trade every day. Like we see this every day. We learn to see it in the charts. When we experience it, we analyze it after. And the next time this happens, well, I'll know, like, okay, like, it's going up. There's no reason it would go down. There's no structure for it to go down. So I need to just hold it a little bit. Maybe I took my little. Cause just did a third trade, but I got my green candle, and you wanna refrain from doing that. And I literally just broke one of my rules. That's okay though. Let's see if it goes up. I think it will. Because it has space to move up in the 30-minute chart. I was actually about to cancel my order because I knew this would happen, but I decided not to because I wanted to not make a mistake. And what if it just started going down? You know what I mean? It's better to be safe than sorry. I mean, I made profit. That's all that really matters. So, thank the Lord, thank God for even giving me these profits. All because of Him. here it is. Yeah, like you say, is so be it if I missed. So be it if I got stopped out. I'll learn to set my stop loss. I need to start using this. It's just very confusing, you know. You're not gonna miss it, and the next time the skill is stackable. You're not gonna lose it. Once you get it, it's lifetime for you too. Now, if I would have canceled the ally, I would have been ally. But who cares? But yeah, pretty much. This is what this what is like trading, day trading. I actually have another job. I work at. Well, obviously, you need to have a job. If you're barely starting out, you need to have a job. You cannot be doing this full time when you're barely starting out. You cannot be full time until you at least make double of your expenses consistently. And consistency is minimizing your, like, you're very good at minimizing your loss, so you won't have huge losses and you take great trades. That's consistency. And guys, I don't know if it's going up or not, to be honest. Data is burning me right now. Guys, that might have been a horrible trade by me right there. I'm not gonna lie. Very bad trade. Man, it has to go up, right? I mean, I could have taken the trade right now. This might be a head and shoulders, if anything. Gosh dang it. What am I on right now? Wow, I was up $50 and now I'm up 22. I should have gone out right in that moment, but it's okay. Who cares? I'll be up still. Volume. So I should have gone into this handle. Cup is, even he was saying cup is closed. Handle. I should have gone in. Right in there. It's not right here. I was very dumb in taking the trade all the way up here. But let's see what happens here. already want this, but when I first learned this and got my internship, I knew that's my ticket out of a life I dreaded. That's how I saw this very clearly, and I remember it very vividly. In actual literal words, I said, I would eat shit if that's what it takes to succeed. Eat shit? I have my runner still in play because I put it very early, like I down had. Excuse my language, guys. It's a very early play, but I know it should go up, hopefully. No, I think it will. That's why I put it, because I know it will go up. There's still space for it to go up. See how it squeezes all these puts. Most entertainment to some of you, that's why it's optional. You can seek other forms of entertainment, or you think this is actually easy and you find other methods that may be easier. Look at that. Alright, I think we're getting in the bullies. We're getting in here. See, we're actually at the point where I put my call, but I'm down $4 now because I put it way too early, and theta burns your contract down. The longer you have it, the more it loses value. So that's why you want to put it like right at your support levels. I was just really dumb here, to be honest, and did it out of FOMO, which is not good. But let's see what happens here. I think we're going up from here, to be honest. If I draw out, and I'll go here. Definitely shows you I am going up. Never mind, guys. I was wrong. Completely wrong. See, the thing about this candle is that there's no volume in it. And it's gonna go back up all the way at least up to here. There was once I had to beg for 20. Oh, Jesus. I have to get out of this, to be honest. Damn. Oh my gosh. I'm so dumb. That's what I get with for foaming, guys. I lose like freaking so many of my profits. I did $300 today. I guess we're hitting it tomorrow, guys. What was started to beg for 20 million to cover my position. I didn't. I begged for months. I would eat shit. Story time for another time, but God knows how hard I wanted this. I want to know how hard you want this. Tell me. God will search my heart, and He knows. I don't even have to say. He searches my heart, and He knows, and knows me before I was knitted in my mother's womb. He knows how hard I wanted this. You? Question mark. Whining in the middle of a trading day. You don't want this enough. It's true though. It's true though. Can we please break this already? Because my contract is burning and burning and burning and burning and burning and burning. I FOMO'd into this. Well, guys, you see, this is what not to do. There's what to do and then what not to do. Do not FOMO. I did it again. I did the same thing yesterday. Did we get a break here? Maybe. I'd be happy. Excuse me. Alright, this is good, guys. Let's see if we can break pink. Yeah, just breaking and making my money back. This is my runner, guys. This is my runner. So I have not lost $9, $8 off this contract. So let's just make that back real quick and be happy and enjoy our days. Oh, we are literally at the yellow now. What? He's moving stuff. Hey, there we go. So you see, this is now we are above magenta again. So this is where the move up would happen if it wants to go up. Okay. No! didn't need that much of a leg up. I should have sold it up here, guys. Well, it's about to go up there. I'm gonna say the same thing. Oh, it opened above. Oh my gosh. It opened right on it, actually. Bulls push! Push! This is funny. Alright guys, if we cannot break here, then I am selling it out. Wait, guys, be patient. You can still, it's literally right at the neckline. Wow. Now what does this mean for us? I am not too sure. What are these people doing? They're playing with my feelings, guys. Just like that, they're playing with my feelings. Break it! Yes! Break it! This is Sparta. Let's go! It has broken it, guys. It broke the freaking resistance. Now we are still now down $8, but we're making our money back. We need to close above. We need to close above. Oh! Look at that candle. Look at that candle. I know that's triggered a bunch of stop losses. We're gonna need more of that to be able to break through this and get to that 600 range. 603 range probably. I wouldn't doubt it. come back for a retracement, retest, and then we move up. Would be the plan. Unless it just wants to shoot up even more. Sorry, it doesn't really seem to me like the bears are really strong here. We're gonna get another huge candle. 59.27. If we can get another big candle right here, we are going up like crazy. Best believe that. New green buying. New green 30-minute. Oh. I mean, new 30-minute in the green buying algo. I don't know, I might sell it here, guys. I think I might sell my runner here. If it gets rejected again, for sure. This might be the imbalance of my head. here if we're gonna break this, to be honest. If not, it's not gonna break and it's gonna go down. That's not a good rejection. We need a big candle here if we want to break this. Oh, really? Everyday's train. Okay, the indecision. Yeah, I never broke through. I think I'm gonna sell this, guys. It's definitely a freaking head of a head and shoulders, guys. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. But I think I'm gonna get out of this. To be honest, I made my money back. Some of it at least. And I think this is gonna head down now. Well, if you look at the volume, there's not volume, the volume sells. definitely go test one more time. I think it tests one more time. And if it can't break that magenta, yeah, then it's wraps. It's going down. Hey, I guess not, guys.
Fine.
Hold up. Well, I mean, we made $12 for the day, guys. We had fun. Okay, so this is like a great um, lesson today again. Same thing happened to me yesterday. I was very dumb today. But I made $12, which is good. But I had gone from, so I started at 250 flat, went all the way to $300, and then I sold my contract at $282 at $31, and then I held this stupid contract for so long. I shouldn't have gotten into it. I'm not gonna lie, I just fumbled it. And then I just held and lost like so many of my profits, which is okay. Made $12. We learned mistakes today. We still have issues that we still have within ourselves, or within myself, I mean. And yeah, that's tomorrow will be a new day. Tomorrow's Friday. We're still happy though. We thank the Lord for everything that happened today. And yeah, always be grateful. Always be grateful. Obviously it sucks, but oh well. It's not the end of the day. I can trade tomorrow again and make the money back. Make the profits I lost back. Well, if it goes up a here, that would be so annoying. I don't think it will though. I should have sold it when we got back up here. I know, I was very dumb. Once we couldn't, I saw that we couldn't break here. Yeah. Out. Or I should have got. If I would have waited, I would have gone to a put. Saw the nice structure here, and look. Even he. Who was it? We'll call it out. And there's your move down. Oh my gosh, man.
¿Eh?
¿Qué pasó?
¿Por qué me hizo my gacho?
Es que estoy haciendo videos.
Hi. Ay, te saqué carne para que hagas hamburguesas.
Ah, ok, ya comí un sándwich. Gracias.
A la otra pon aquí haciendo video. Y ya.
Alright. That was my mom. Dang, I could have gone into puts instead of doing that dumb call over here. We learn and we learn. Oh well, right. I guess this is the big move down. We didn't. There was nothing. If anything, would go from here for a bigger move up. Probably. I don't doubt it. Off yellow and green. But yeah, that's it for today. We learned a lot. I mean, we're up $12.73. That's good. Grateful for any money we make. For the week, we are actually up. Damn. What? $160 a month. almost $80 a day. This is glitched. Oh well, we're here to accumulate. Still be happy, guys. We made $12. It's not that serious. Tomorrow we back for another day. Gotta learn to manage these emotions. Trading is not an easy thing. I'm actually up 40% on the week, which is really good. Apparently I was up. That's not true. I never at that point. But we're ready for tomorrow. Yeah, pretty much. Wow, I lost all my profits from that. We're being dumb. We're being dumb. No FOMOing. I can't do that. I'm gonna log on my trade and assess what I did wrong. After a big trade like that, I should just get out. Like I should just take my profits and yeah. Let me check what it is that happened today. You see, I was like at $150 in this trade, which I should have just sold. But I went up all the way. That's not how you check it. Realize profit and loss. It's like 50% per point, I think. Realize. But I lost a pretty good amount of it because I opened my trade about right here. And so right here, yeah. And if I would have waited a little bit, sold it up here, or waited a little bit longer, I would have sold it up here. And that would have happened, of course, but oh well. No problem here. And then I did a horrible trade here. No stop loss again. So the day ended. And then I did a horrible trade here. So like dummy. So like a dummy here. But yeah, this is gonna be the end because hey, we're up $12 though. That's good. That's good. I'm glad. We're gonna be happy for the little wins. The little wins. Tomorrow's a new day. Friday, end of the week. End the week strong. We gotta end the week strong tomorrow, and then none of this dumb, no stop loss trading. We won't let that happen again tomorrow. End the week strong, and then we have the weekend off to reassess ourselves, study what it is that went wrong during the week, what I did wrong, and yeah, so that next week we come back stronger. And I just want to finish off the day. I don't know how long this video has been. I don't know where it tells me, to be honest, but oh, 2 hours and 47 minutes. Wow, that's a really long first video, huh? I just want to read a final verse here. It's something I would want to do at the end of the videos. Whoever watches all of it, maybe no one will watch it because it's a pretty long video of a random person, but maybe someone skims through it and gets to this point. And so I want to read these verses, this page. Not too long. It's not that long, guys. Don't worry. Um. All right, I want to read this one to you guys. My son, do not despise the Lord's discipline, and do not resent his rebuke, because the Lord disciplines those he loves. As a father, the son he delights in. Blessed are those who find wisdom, those who gain understanding, for she is more profitable than silver, and yields better returns than gold. She is more precious than rubies. Nothing you desire can compare with her. Long life is in her right hand, in her left hand are riches and honor. Her ways are pleasant ways, and all her paths are peace. She is a tree of life to those who take hold of her. Those who hold her fast will be blessed. By wisdom the Lord laid the earth's foundations. By understanding he set the heavens in place. By his knowledge the watery depths were divided, and the clouds let drop the dew. Yeah, that's Proverbs. Proverbs what? Let me check for you guys what Proverbs that is. That was. My bad. There it is. Proverbs 3 starts at Proverbs 3:11. Um, Let me read the rest of this. By his knowledge the watery depths were divided, and the clouds let drop the dew. My son, do not let wisdom and understanding out of your sight. Preserve sound judgment and discretion. They will be life for you, an ornament to grace your neck. Then you will go on your way in safety, and your foot will not stumble. When you lie down, you will not be afraid. When you lie down, your sleep will be sweet. Have no fear of sudden disaster or of the ruin that overtakes the wicked, for the Lord will be at your side and will keep your foot from being snared. Yeah, I'm gonna end the verse off there, and we'll have verses every day. I'll read up another one tomorrow. But thank you. If someone watches this, welcome to my journey. And yeah, this should be fun. This is my first day. I'll be getting a new webcam, like I said, hopefully soon. And yeah, y'all take care and have a blessed day. Have a great day. Enjoy your day, even if there's a little things that happen that may affect your day. Like I had made $50, went down to 30, about 30 some. And then I FOMO'd into a trade like a dummy, and lost my patience at the end there. I didn't even really lose my patience. I just FOMO'd like a dummy, and lost like $18 from that, which is okay. So I'm still up $12. We're green for the day. That's all that matters. Yesterday I was up $12 again because I did the same thing. I was actually up like $40 again, and I lost most of the profits because I didn't use my stop loss. I made the same issue again today. We'll get it. We'll get it. This will not be the end of us, and we will keep trying hard and working hard. And yeah, that's. Thank you again, and have a blessed day. Have a great day.